Let's learn Spooky Scary Skeletons. It's choreographed by Lynne Herman and David Herman. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 8. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and an ending, and then we're going to go through and dance all 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Spooky Scary Skeletons. Section 1, you're going to start on your left foot. We're going to do forward and back diagonal step touches. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot back into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot back into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. Now, it's not written on the step sheet, but in their video, they add claps onto the step touches. So if you would like to do that, you can do that as well. So let's try and get some counts. Weight on your left with your diagonal step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a full count chasse to the right and left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step together with your left. Step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, step together with your right, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. Now, as you do those side together side touches, you're going to do cartoon skeleton arms. You're going to have your arms swing back and forth. So you're going to have your arms come out from your shoulder, nice and flat, and then a 90 degree from your elbow with your fingers pointed down. As you step to the side, you're going to have your hands swing towards the foot that's stepping. So when we step to the right, your hands are going to come right. When we step to the left, they'll come to the left, right, and then as we touch, you'll swing them center. We're now going to do the same thing with the left. So when you step to the left, both hands to the left, center, left, center. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to step a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and then step together with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left with your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a big step to the right, slightly bending your knees, and then you're going to drag your left toe into your right. You want to make sure that the step and the drag is 4 counts to both sides. And then we're going to repeat that to the left, step to the left, drag your right foot into your left. You can add shimmies into this part if you would like. So when we step to the side with our bent knees, you'll shimmy your shoulders. So you're shimmy, 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 shimmy. And that is the whole dance. So let's try and get some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I personally like to put my arms up to the side so I can shimmy. You could kind of have them a little bit lower if you would, but I like to make it big and dramatic and kind of add that extra into it, so feel free to do that as well. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our forward and back diagonal step touches. So it's diagonal step touch, diagonal step touch, back diagonal step touch, back diagonal step touch, side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Rocking chair, jazz box quarter, turn together, and shimmy, and shimmy. Let's try to get some counts. Weight is on your left, and your forward and back diagonal step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 8. So we'll be finishing the second time doing our side wall to 9 o'clock, bringing you to 12 o'clock. All your tag is to hold for 4 counts. So you're just going to stand diagonal step touches. What I personally like to do to make it a little more fun is instead of just standing, I kind of pretend like I'm a skeleton. So I do my skeleton arms that we do earlier in the dance, and I just kind of bend my head, and I just kind of hang here until the music starts up, and then I go back into the dance. So your tag is 4 counts of holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready to start over again. Now, after you finish that tag, wall 9 is your final wall of the dance. If you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock or the front, when you finish a dance, there is an easy option to be able to end facing 12 o'clock. You're going to dance all the way through your shimmy drag to the right. So you do your shimmy drag to 3 o'clock. Now, if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock, you're just going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder and then just shimmy to the left. And that is how you would end the dance facing 12 o'clock if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance all 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall as well as the ending. Weight is on your left, starting with your forward diagonal step touches. So it's forward diagonal touch, forward diagonal touch, back diagonal touch, back diagonal touch, side together, side touch, side together, side touch, rocking chair. Jazz box quarter, turn step to the side and shimmy. Side shimmy, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward diagonal touch, forward diagonal touch, back diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Rocking chair, jazz box, quarter turn. Step to the side and shimmy. Step to the side and shimmy. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, back, touch. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Rocking chair. Jazz box quarter turn. Now your side drag and shimmy. Side drag and shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward diagonal, back diagonal. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Rocking chair. Jazz box quarter, turn to the side and shimmy. Step to the side and shimmy. This is wall 8. You're going to dance 32 counts and then add on your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward diagonal, back diagonal. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Rocking chair. Jazz box quarters, turn to the side and shimmy. Now make your quarter turn and shimmy. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn spooky, scary skeletons. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Speak with such so unsafe, it's semi-serious.
Spooky, scary skeletons are silly all the same. They'll smile and scramble slowly by and drive you so insane. Sticks and stones will break your bones, they seldom let you snooze. Spooky, scary skeletons